Now, this is a South Korea telecom company, right? Called SK Telecom. They say a malware breach lasted 3 years, impacting 27 million numbers. South Korea Telecom, or SK Telecom, says that a recently disclosed cybersecurity incident in April first occurred all the way back in 2022, ultimately exposing the USIM data of 27 million subscribers. SK Telecom is the largest mobile network operator in South Korea, holding roughly half of the national market. On April 19, 2025, the company detected malware on its networks and responded by isolating the equipment suspected of being hacked. That's right. It went from 2022 to April 2025, and then they're like, whoopsies. This breach allowed attackers to steal data that included IMSI, USIM authentication keys, network usage data, and SMS contacts stored in the SIM. Just everything. On May 8, 2025, a government committee investigating the incident declared that the malware infection compromised 25 data types. At the time, SK Telecom announced it would stop accepting new subscribers as it struggled to manage the fallout. An update SK Telecom published yesterday informs that they will soon notify 26.95 million subscribers that they are impacted by the malware infection, which exposed their sensitive data. The telecom firm confirms that it identified 25 distinct malware types in 23 compromised servers. Bros, they didn't just get hacked with one malware. In some cases, they got completely demolished with two. But it was at bare minimum one per server. One distinct malware type per server. Simultaneously, a joint public-private investigation team examining SK Telecom's 30,000 Linux servers says the initial web shell infection was on June 15th, 2022. Almost a 3-year anniversary. So the attackers introduced several payloads across 23 servers. 15 of the 23 infected servers contained personal customer information, including IMEI numbers.